Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Oberlo for easy product importing in dropshipping. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Shopify store set up. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. Search for Oberlo. Click on the Oberlo app from the search results. Press the Add App button to start the installation process. You will be prompted to log into your Shopify account. Enter your credentials and click Log In. After logging in, click Install App to complete the integration. Once installed, you will be directed to the Oberlo dashboard. Create or sign in to your Oberlo account. After signing in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. To browse products, click on the Products tab. Use the search bar to find products in your desired niche. You can filter results based on categories or trending items. When you find a product you like, click on it for more details. Review the product description, images, and pricing carefully. If satisfied, click the Add to Import List button. You can continue browsing to add more products to your import list. Once you've selected your products, navigate to the Import List tab. Review all items in your import list to ensure accuracy. Edit product titles, descriptions, and images if necessary. Adjust your pricing according to your desired profit margins. When ready, click on the Import to Store button. This will transfer the selected products to your Shopify store. After importing, go to your Shopify dashboard to confirm the new products appear. Make any final adjustments to product listings from your Shopify interface. Finally, set up your payment and shipping options in Shopify to finalize your store setup. You are now ready to start selling products using Oberlo for easy importing in your dropshipping business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.